एक कोडी बरोगीच नाव आमच्या काळजांतली दुखून आमची दुसरी मागणी आम्ही बापाक उबारी. Naman Maria, Upen Murali, Silvestro, Judaensa, Israel, Sudo, Ani Sudo, Suado, Jesu, Bayon Maria, Vachi Mai, Amapanya, Kivinantod, Atanya, Mucha, Pamacha, या भावाच्या संसारी जिविताच्या देण्यापासून ताच्या कुटुंबापासून आणि ताणे आपल्या कुटुंबा आणि समाजा खातीर केल्ल्या सगळ्या बरेपणापासून दिनवासून बराबर म्हणया मोहिमा बापा आणि पुता आणि पवित्र आत्म्या आदी आता आणि सदा सदा Rani Sora Samsarache Sorata Johanase Sanuna Tamare Mogachi Pamai Yomai Eyama Tuducha Sopa दुसरो एंगेजमेंट आसा सांजे आपण येता घरात तूं म्हजे बरोबर काय वय म्हाका एक बरें म्हणल्यार मिसा घेवंक जाय आसलें सांजे मनाच्या आमच्या घरान एक जाण दुयेंत सांतान कडेन एक मनाचें देगेर आसलें ताच्या हॉस्पिटलान आनीक तो घरान आसा पूण म्हाकाय मिसाक जावचें म्हाकाय बरें जालें हांवें मिसाक हांव तुजे बरोबर वयता आतां आमी उसरोवन दिवया आनी आमच्या भावा खातीर मागूया जाय तें केलां म्हाका एक फावटी काडो मानच्या आदी ताणें कडेन जाय म्हजे बरोबर आसलो आनी लॉरेन्स म्हजे बरोबर आसलो आनी ताचें नांव येना एक दुसरो मोटरसायकल चलयता तोय बी आमी ते प्रकारान खेळटाले आज एक कसो खेळटालो वाचीन करता आनी ताणें कडेन फुटबॉल खेळटले मरे वय तुका लागून ग्रावंड बांदता म्हणून हें तें स्टेडियम बांदता हें तें देव बरें ताचे फाटल्यान म्हाका ताका मेळटा ताचे बरे फोट संवसार भर उलयता लोक आनी ताचो मोनुमेंट बांदपाची गरज ग्रावंड आनी स्टेडियम तो ताचो पयलो आनी व्हडलो म्हणटा आनीक नाका आनी हो करून हें करून इतले तरणाट्यांक फायदो जाता आनी आतां आमी तरणाट्यांक मागता एकठांय करता बाबा खेळूंक जाय ताच्यो बी सुरू जाता काम देवान चलोवचें देवान ताका शास्त्राची संस्कार दिवची आनी तुमकांय देवान उजवण दिवची म्हूण आपल्या मागणी आसा.
थँक्यू. lost a great personality, and I'm sure the people of Goa will mourn for a dynamic ex-sports minister. It's because of him that we got an international size stadium where we can watch a lot of matches, international matches and day-to-day matches that are going on. I will sympathize with the family, and along with all Goans and the football lovers, I would say may his soul rest in peace.
Our late Montrose is known for his contribution to the development of Goa. During his tenure as minister, he has constructed the Fatarda Stadium, which is a place that has been put use to by everyone. In fact, it is because of his hard work and his toil that the stadium came up. He was entrusted this task by the then Chief Minister, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. He took up the challenge to construct the stadium, constructed it in record time. He could achieve it only because he was committed. He had set that goal before him, and he was committed to ensure that Goa hosted the Jawaharlal Nehru football tournament. He achieved it, and I believe he could only because he worked day and night. Today we in the state are benefiting from that hard work of his. I pray to God that the Lord gives his family the strength to accept his death, and also pray that his soul rests in peace.
So, a lot of suggestions are coming that a stamp should be named under Montrose, even a statue should be. What is the government?
No, many demands have been put forward. That I think will be a decision the government will have to take. I'm not in a position to comment on it. The government will have to decide.
Montrose was the MLA of my constituency, Benauli, from 1980 to 1989. And during this period, probably I was his most vehement opponent. I did not agree with any congressman, and Montrose was a congressman. But during his tenure, I could say he was very committed to carrying out works, and lot of works were carried out in our constituency, roads, panchayat, and then of course his legacy is the stadium. Everybody talks about that, and I know he used to personally be supervising that construction as if he is a contractor. He used to be there morning, evening and night. And due to his efforts, the stadium was completed in sufficient time to hold a Nehru Cup in Goa. After that, of course, Congress denied him a ticket after his second term for whatever reason. And later on, he joined the UGDP. He nearly won in Benauli again, but lost by a few votes. And again in Fatarda. But people in Goa have not exactly forgotten him, because even in Fatarda or Benauli, he hardly had time, but he still managed to get a huge chunk of votes, because people do respect him, and his contribution, I am sure, will remain. Let us see now what happens next. Yeah.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.